So I want to do another educational segment, and basically what I want to do is show you guys other installers quality of installation when it comes to Clearbra, ones that are outside our shop, right? Ones that we didn't do. And it's not to make fun. The simple reason why I want to do this is because it's a great way for me to show that not all Clearbra are installed the same. Alright, so we have a Tesla Model S hood. The full front is Clearbra. You guys have seen the EVS custom hood option. I've shown you guys this in the previous vlog. So there's no cutouts and there's no relief cuts, and all edges, including this top edge, it's all wrapped around. We take a lot of pride in being able to offer that. Not a lot of places can. And what I'm about to show you is something that I see quite often. As you guys can see, this line, the straight line that goes up and down, that's a cut line. So basically what happened is the film, or the installer, couldn't wrap the film around this corner here. So what ends up happening is a tension is built, typically it lifts or it bunches up. So what the installer had to do was end up making a cut, a straight cut in the film. More than likely, if I were to remove this film, you'll see a straight line cut in the actual paint. You see that little excess material here, this part, this little grayish part? So that's film that's lifted up. So this is typically what happens if there's a lot of tension builds up and it just kind of scrunches up. You kind of get this lifting here over time. It can collect dust, dirt. It could end up peeling, lifting, and spreading. Down here you see it happening even more so, bunched up right here and bunched up right there. So this edge, he cut this one, as you guys can see right here. The straight line across where my finger is. Again, this is probably a cut in the paint. Same thing as well. This is like the other corner. It's just bunched up, it's lifted. And then the last corner here, he cut it. There's still some lifting right here. So basically every corner on this hood has an issue.